Across the Yorkshire and Humber region, we begin a firearms and weapons surrender on Monday the 13th of November, which runs through to the 26th of November. We want to remove weapons so they don't end up in the wrong hands on the streets, causing injury and sometimes death. Weapons don't recognise county boundaries, and this surrender enables people across the region to surrender weapons safely and anonymously, no matter where they live. Incidents involving the reported use of weapons are treated very seriously, and West Yorkshire Police work closely with partners to ensure people who live, work and visit the county remain safe. There are many different reasons that you might find yourself in possession of a weapon. An old relic in a loft, something you've inherited from a house move, or perhaps something you've been asked to look after for someone else. This is your opportunity to surrender it to us. Communities hold the key to helping reduce firearms-related crime. Information from witnesses and local communities is vital if we're to obtain evidence needed to arrest and prosecute offenders, and we would ask people to contact Crime Stoppers anonymously. We want as many weapons as possible to be handed in, and we'd encourage people to do so.